Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing the Louis Vuitton Clemence wallet. I think that's what it's called. I believe that's what it's called. So this is the box, and then we have another box on the inside. Put that right there, and then we also have our receipts. So I put that down. So I haven't even seen it, so let's open it. This is what it comes in. The little dust pouch, whatever y'all call it. Here it is. Dun, 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 dun. And this is it, guys. I do believe it's called the Clemence wallet. I did get the print, the Demier Ebene. It's the same print as my purse. I got it in cherry, so cherry is the inside color. There is another color, I think it's called Rose Ballerina, which is like a light pink. But of course I got this one because it matches my purse. So it has 8 slots for cards, so 2 right here and 2 right here, and then on the other side there's 2 and 2, and then you also have this little pouch right there to stick other cards, receipts, cash, whatever floats your boat. Another slot right here, and then we have the zipper to hold your coins, whatever you want to throw in there. I find random things in mine. Yeah, and it does have the gold trimming zipper. And it does have the initials right here, LV. And it zips pretty good. So this is it, guys. Okay, so this wallet retails for $570. Let me just give you some information on it. It says it's 7.87 by 3.54 by 0.79 inches, which is length, height, and width. This is the Demier Ebene coated canvas, same like my purse. It says grain cowhide leather trim, leather lining, gold colored hardware zip closure, sorry. 2 large compartments, which I showed you guys, which are these things right here, are 2 inside flat pockets. So these are it. These are the 2 large compartments. 8 card slot holder, correct. And then the zip coin pocket, which is that in the middle. So like I said, mine's retailed for $570. And this is it right here. I was interested in the Emily wallet. I say Emily wallet. It is out of stock, and I didn't want to wait until it did come back in stock. So this is the one that I was interested in, with the little button up front. And why I was interested in it was because you get to hot stamp your initials in it. But like I said, it was out of stock and I wasn't about to wait. And that wallet retails for $545. So this one is more, but I mean, I think it's worth it. So yeah, guys, if you want, I can go and grab my other wallet and put stuff in here so you can see how it is. Just give me a sec. Wallet is full. As you can see, it's still slim. There's no bulging on the sides from all my crap in here. Gonna open it. So I have 4 cards on this side with some cash and a flap right there. I got 4 more cards on the other side. And then I have a picture, two pictures, picture of my son and my daughter. And then I have a whole bunch of change in the middle. Now I put all my change in there because I wanted to see if it will like bulge out or anything. But yeah, as you can see, it is still slim and feels good. It's not heavy, it's light. No problems opening it. Yeah, so I definitely think I made a right choice in picking this wallet. Okay guys, so here's the purse and the wallet. As you can see, they're matching. You see that red? It matches the same red as inside of the purse. Those look good.
Okay.
And it's definitely easy just to plop in there. You got all that space. To subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next one, guys.